Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new product by Benefit Cosmetics called the Boi-ing Bright On Concealers. I'm also going to be pairing it with their other concealer, the Cakeless concealer that we all love, but now they have new shades. So now, in total, they have 30 Cakeless concealer shades. You might be thinking, what's the difference between the two concealers? And in my opinion, there isn't much of a difference except for that this Cakeless concealer is definitely a go-to for me for full coverage looks, the packaging like this doe foot applicator, and also the shade range. But let's go ahead and get back to the brand new one, the Boi-ing Bright On Concealer. Super excited. They have 12 shades to choose from. I received Cantaloupe and Nectarine, and in my opinion, they are shades that are definitely very different to each other. Nectarine is described as a light neutral yellow, and Cantaloupe is described as a light warm yellow. So Nectarine is more of a neutral ashy tone, and Cantaloupe is more of a warm kind of yellow tone. And they're both targeted for purple brown under eye discoloration. But that is what they look like compared to my number 3 Cakeless concealer, and this is what my face looks without any makeup at all. I have skincare on, I have my eye makeup. Let's go ahead and apply them now. I'm going to use Cantaloupe first and then Nectarine in areas that I think that my dark circles might need. I haven't been sleeping very well lately, so that does cause bags under your eyes, but these are the areas that I have trouble with, and I do not have a foundation on, just for reference. So let's go ahead and talk about it. It is a concealer that visibly brightens under eyes with red algae extract and vitamin C derivative. It helps hide dark circles with color correcting pigments and helps seal in skin hydration with a serum-like formula for a healthy looking under eye glow. It applies and blends easily. It has a buildable coverage. It's non-caking. It's waterproof, and it has an 8-hour long wear time limit, which I used it like this for a full coverage look like in this video, and I also used this product for everyday non kind of full makeup looks too, and I can say that it has a very good long wear effect, and I didn't have any problems or issues with it at all. Now, I will say that it does suggest to apply with your finger for a more full coverage look, but I just wanted to use a blender just because I love the way it feels, and it worked for me. And I'm also going to, on top, use my Cakeless concealer, which I'm super obsessed with and I have always used without foundation, and it's just amazing to me. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like on top of the Bright On concealer, which I definitely will have to say this is the first impression that I got in this video with the Bright On concealer paired with the Cakeless concealer, and I'm super impressed. As you can see, this is the shade number 3, and it is brightening everything. I don't have a foundation on, so I just feel like this blend is amazing, and I'm super happy with it, and I couldn't ask for more. I do have, for reference, dry to normal skin, and this concealer is definitely amazing with my dry skin. But let's talk more about the similarities and differences of these two concealers. So the similarities definitely involve the price. They both retail for $24, and they both have the same amount of product, which is 0.17 ounces of product. Now, for differences, I would say if you're a more full coverage, full makeup girl, you definitely might want to go more towards the Cakeless concealer, and if you're a natural, everyday, kind of lightweight concealer girl, you might want to go for the Bright On concealer, which I have been on everyday kind of looks, and I've been super excited and happy about it. It can also just be kind of like a color corrector for you, which I used in this video. And this is what it looks like without any makeup. And then this is what it looks like with my full makeup close-up. So I'm super impressed. I'm definitely excited and thankful that they sent me these products. So thank you again to Benefit Cosmetics. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.